Alright, this is the glass elevator at Berkshire Mall in Wyomissing, Pennsylvania. I can't get the phone open. Oh, the bell works. Door does not close when we push the button. There's Ray's Pizza. Let's get a cab view. It's basic glass elevator for a mall. It's kind of run down. Ooh, classic leveling. Going up? Come on. Let's get the classic leveling. Nice. Oh, this is just a hobby I have, documenting elevators. Alright. Let's go back down to 1. Doesn't classic level with the second floor as much as it does with the first floor. Alright, let's watch that one more time. Yes! That is awesome classic leveling. Here's your call button. And that's it.